Good morning, children. Today we are learning the textual bits of our lesson number 7. Rewrite these sentences using the noun or adjective forms of the words in color. Make changes to the sentences if needed. So here we need to write these sentences again by making some changes. First one, the soldiers were rewarded for their bravery. So, in this sentence, we are changing the adjective. What the adjective? The adjective is bravery here. So, we won't write bravery in the sentence. So, the sentence changes as the soldiers were rewarded for being brave. So here the bravery has been changed into brave. Now coming to the second sentence. The queen admired her beautiful new crown. So here again adjective changes and it changes as beautiful changes, that is the queen admired the beauty of her new crown. Third one, the old lady was known for her generosity. She was known for her generosity, but the sentence we can write also in this form, that is, the old lady was known for her generous nature. Now coming to the fourth one, there was danger in the road ahead. The word danger changes as dangerous. The old lady was known for her generous nature. Fourth one, there was danger fifth one, in what way is a canoe different from an ordinary fishing boat? So we can change the sentence as what is the difference between a canoe and an ordinary fishing boat? So here we have some of the words which changes while adding ing form to it. That is see. See becomes seeing. 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 Second one, tie. TIE. Tie changes to tying. E becomes mostly whenever a word ends with E. If we are adding ing form to it, it changes to Y. Tying. Make. Making. E is changed there. We are adding directly I here. These are somewhat different examples. Here, be, being, see, seeing, be, being are used, that we added directly ing form to it. We have some words like tie and die, where we used ing form in which we replaced E with Y. And here are some of the words where we use like make, making, like, liking. These are the words where they change themselves. Hope that everyone understood today's class. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.